Hi, I'm Ming from Tokyo. In this video, I will share with you the 4 types of IC cards that can be used on trains and buses in Tokyo, as well as 3 types of good value tickets that serve as great options.
When sightseeing in Tokyo, most visitors will likely use trains. Even though some people might think trains in Japan are unsafe or mostly for those with less money, the truth is trains are a very common and necessary way for people to get to work and school.
Okay then, let's go. Number 1. Basic train information.
First, we will review basic information on trains in Tokyo. Trains in Tokyo are operated by several companies, with the main one being JR East, Tokyo Metro, and Toei Subway. Besides these, there are many other private railway companies such as Odakyu Railway, Keio Railway, Tokyu Railway, Seibu Railway, and Keisei Railway. Tokyo's train lines are among the most complex in the world. However, this means you can reach most places by train. All lines operate from early morning around 5 a.m. to late at night around midnight. In central Tokyo, trains arrive early few minutes, so there's no concern about missing one. Using the train network, you will be able to fully enjoy sightseeing in Tokyo.
Number 2. Transportation IC card.
A pass, also known as a transportation system IC card, is highly recommended for sightseeing in Tokyo. Although it is possible to purchase train tickets locally, doing so can be inconvenient because you have to check the ticket price and wait in line at the ticket machine each time. If you plan to use trains frequently, purchasing an IC card is essential not only because it's slightly cheaper but also more convenient. Using the card is not difficult. You can recharge it at the ticket machine or with your smartphone, and it allows you to board not only trains but also buses. When boarding a train, simply touch the IC card to the reader where it says IC card. Now, let's explore the IC cards essential for train travel.
Number 3. Old SUICA, Old PASMO.
For those who have visited Japan in the past or received an IC card from a friend, if your IC card was used within the last 10 years and you still have it, continue to use it. Originally, SUICA and PASMO IC cards were crucial for sightseeing in Tokyo. However, due to a semiconductor shortage, their supply has been unable to meet demand, leading to a suspension of sales in June 2023. While there are plans to resume sales in spring 2024, no official information on the reopening has yet been announced. As a result, we need to consider alternative IC cards. In the next section, we will explore what IC cards are available.
Number 4. PASMO Passport.
This IC card, exclusively available for visitors to Japan, can be obtained immediately upon arrival at the airport. However, be prepared for long lines when purchasing the PASMO Passport at the airport. A big drawback of the PASMO Passport is that it only lasts for 28 days after you buy it. So, if you come to Japan later, you will have to buy a new one. While there's no refund service for the remaining balance, this shouldn't be a major concern. Any excess balance can be utilized at convenience stores or vending machines. Welcome SUICA, another option with functionality similar to PASMO Passport, is currently impossible to purchase at Narita Airport and most major stations, with Haneda Airport's Terminal 3 being the only location available for purchase. I find it to be an exceptionally user-friendly IC card. For those looking for an IC card to reuse on future visits to Japan, consider the following options: TOICA or Mobile SUICA, Mobile PASMO.
Number 5. TOICA.
The biggest disadvantage of the PASMO Passport is that the card becomes invalid after 28 days. There are IC cards issued by various companies throughout Japan, but the first option is TOICA if you're going from the airport to one of the following stations: Tokyo Station, Shinagawa Station, or Atami Station. Moreover, TOICA offers a refundable balance upon payment of a 220 yen fee. In other words, if you have a chance to come to Japan within 10 years, you can use the remaining balance on the card. However, a disadvantage is that unlike the PASMO Passport, it cannot be purchased at Haneda Airport or Narita International Airport or at major stations such as Shinjuku and Shibuya. If your travel plans do not include an initial visit to Tokyo Station, Shinagawa Station, or Atami Station, the TOICA is not recommended.
Number 6. Mobile SUICA, Mobile PASMO.
Mobile SUICA is a highly convenient application that lets you create a digital IC card on your smartphone. It allows you to pass through ticket gates by simply holding your device over them, similar to a regular plastic IC card. By registering your credit card, you can avoid long lines at ticket vending machines and recharge your balance at your convenience. Typically, you can issue a new card via the official mobile SUICA app. However, this app is only available in Japanese. For English instructions, Apple users can use Apple Pay and Google users can opt for Google Wallet. Although refunds are processed through the app, they must be transferred to a Japanese financial account. To avoid overcharging, it's advisable to recharge in small amounts such as 1,000 yen at a time. Any unused balance can be spent at convenience stores and vending machines, so feel free to use it up. Apart from the regular SUICA, this is the IC card I most recommended. Since the procedure for mobile PASMO is virtually identical, I won't repeat it here. Next, I will introduce some excellent ticket deals for sightseeing in Tokyo and beyond.
Number 7. Tokyo Subway Ticket.
Tokyo offers a range of discount tickets which might seem confusing at first. One notable option is a special value pass exclusively available to foreign visitors, valid on 9 Tokyo Metro lines and 4 Toei subway lines. It's important to note that JR lines are not included and require a separate fare, available in durations of 24, 48, or 72 hours. The longer the pass, the more savings you achieve. Choosing a 72-hour pass, for instance, costs about half as much as a 24-hour pass, offering significant cost benefits. Additionally, showing this pass at certain facilities entitles you to discounts. A drawback is the necessity to use your IC card and this ticket separately at ticket gates for subway or JR trains, which might be inconvenient for some. Foreign visitors can purchase this ticket at Haneda Airport, Narita Airport, specific Tokyo Metro commuter pass vending machines, and information centers. It's available to PASMO passport or PASMO holders with the option to link the ticket to your IC card directly for convenience.
Number 8. Tokyo Metro Ticket.
This is the pass I usually use the most among the various passes available. It functions similarly to the Tokyo subway ticket introduced earlier, except it does not cover the Toei subway. However, since the Tokyo Metro covers almost all major sightseeing spots, I highly recommended this pass as well, as an example of how you can explore Tokyo using only the Tokyo Metro. On the first day, you can greet the morning at Tokyo Station, visit Ginza, Akihabara, and Asakusa stations, and stay overnight in the Asakusa Station area. On the morning of the second day, you would go to Shibuya Station before the fare becomes invalid. The regular fare would be 800 yen for an adult, making the Tokyo Metro ticket slightly more economical. The pass can also be shown at participating facilities to receive discounts. Also, it is able to purchase from ticket vending machines at all Tokyo Metro stations. You can either register the pass on your IC card or purchase a paper ticket. Similarly, if you have a PASMO passport or PASMO, you can register your Tokyo subway ticket pass on your IC card. For those who plan to tour around Tokyo in a day, this is a very economical pass. However, for those who travel less frequently, it may not be cost-effective. If you are interested, please check the official website.
Number 9. JR Rail Pass.
I'm sure you are already aware that the price of the JR Rail Pass, also known as the JR Pass, increased significantly since October 2023. In what cases should you purchase the JR Pass, and in what cases should you not purchase one? I would like to provide an actual example to illustrate this point. Let me assume that you have purchased a 14-day regular train ticket. Let's say you visit Tokyo, Kanazawa, Osaka, Kyoto, Kobe, and return to Tokyo in 14 days. While the price of the JR Rail Pass for adults is 80,000 yen, if you travel between these stations by Shinkansen or train, it costs less than 40,000 yen, actually less than half. Of course, in addition to these stations, you will likely visit popular places like Shibuya, Shinjuku, and Asakusa in Tokyo. Even if you add 10,000 yen for these stops, the total cost will not exceed 80,000 yen. Moreover, if you use the JR Pass, you cannot take the Nozomi Shinkansen, the fastest of all Shinkansen trains. To be honest, I personally don't see much advantages in purchasing the JR Pass. An exception would be if you're planning to travel from Tokyo to Hokkaido and back, in addition to visiting Kanazawa, Osaka, Kyoto, and Kobe as I mentioned earlier, it becomes quite economical, as it will exceed 18,000 yen in most cases. While it's not impossible to visit them all in 14 days, the schedule would be quite tight and is not recommended.
That said, Hokkaido is a truly fascinating place and I highly recommend it a visit. Have a wonderful trip to Japan by using an IC card and some valuable train tickets. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like button. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.